Hello everyone. Today is day 6 of 75 days LeetCode challenge. Today's question is product of array except self. Let's understand the question. Given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer of I is equal to the product of all elements except nums of I. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fix in a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time without using an division operator. Let's understand with the help of examples. In example number 1, nums array is given in which 4 elements are there 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to return the product of the elements except self. In this first place, we product all the elements and except self. 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 12 to the 24, and 24 is the answer in nums of 0. In second place, except 2, all the product is written. 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and 12 is written. In third place, except 3, all product is written. 4 into 2 into 1, 4 to 8 into 1, 8. In fourth place, except 4, all the product is written. 4 into 3 into 1, 6. Let's understand brute force approach first. In brute force approach, we have to use 2 loops. We have to make first integer array of same size int n is equal to nums dot length int array is equal to new int of size n. Then we have to iterate loop int I is equal to 0 to I is less than n I plus plus. Then we have to initialize a product variable int product is equal to 1 for int j is equal to 0 to j less than n j plus plus. We use nested loop. Then if we check if I and j not equal to, then we update our product. If I not equal to j, then product into is equal to nums of j. After that, we update our answer array of I is equal to product. After that, we have to return our answer array. Let's run it. All 2 test cases are passed, but this is not an optimal approach because we use here 2 nested loop which increase the time complexity of this algorithm much more. We have to optimize our solution by using different approach. Let's understand another approach. Let's use optimal approach in which we have to use prefix plus suffix variables so that our code will be optimized. Let's see. We have to make answer array of same size, then we have to put answer of 0 is equal to 1. Then we have to iterate loop int I is equal to 0 to I is less than n I plus plus, and we have to initialize answer of I is equal to answer of I minus 1 into nums of I minus 1, and we have to initialize loop from 1. Then we assign value to answer array. Then we have to assign variable int suffix to 1. Then we iterate another loop from backside int I is equal to n minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Then we have to assign answer of I is equal to answer of I into suffix. Then we have to assign suffix into nums of I. Then at last we have to return answer array. We have to run the code. All 2 test cases are passed. We have to submit our code. Our code is successfully submitted. The time complexity of our code is O of n, and we don't use divide operator which is mentioned clearly in our description. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and without using the division operator. We don't use division operator, and our complexity of our code is O of n. And that's all. Thank you and follow for more.